This video is a guide for the initial setup and regular maintenance of your wire twister. The wire twister arrives ungreased. It is recommended that you grease them before initial use and periodically to maintain optimum performance. To disassemble the wire twister, you'll need a 3/32 hex wrench to remove these 4 screws securing the top cover plate. Hold the wire twister in your hand as you remove the final screw so the larger gear isn't pushed out of place by your work table. Once the screw is removed, lift off the top cover plate. If any gears become displaced as you remove the cover plate, simply align the teeth of the gears and place them back in their appropriate position. Place half to a quarter pump of grease at these 4 points where the gears interlock. Then using your hand, manually rotate the gears to distribute the grease across each gear. You can use your finger to help evenly spread any excess grease. Once the grease is evenly distributed, place the top cover plate back on the wire twister. To do so, the flat side of the cover plate faces the gears, and then align the holes in the plate with the gears. While still holding the wire twister, replace the first screw in one of the positions nearest to the largest gear. Once this screw is tight, it will hold the large gear in position and allow you to install the remaining screws with the twister rested on your work table. Install the 3 remaining screws. Once you ensure that each of the 4 screws are tightened securely, your wire twister is ready to use.